Hey everybody, welcome back. 10:30. That's Bill with me, Scott. While you're gone, I got the ends all wrapped up. Wrapped up pretty neat. I'm going to iron out. I don't know if you can see little puckers here and there. I'll iron them out. And I put some glue on these ribs right here. Of course, got all that done. You've seen that on the last episode. Now I'm going to flip it over, I'm going to iron the ends and flip it over and need a little bit of ironing right there too and get the fabric tight, and I'll be done with the Aileron. Then I'm going to go run and get the wing. Guess what? It's a beautiful day here in Southeast Virginia, I'm telling you. It's another sunny, beautiful, mild fall day. All right, so I'm going to try to just get rid of some of these bubbles and wrinkles. Some of it, very little of it is in like the fabric underneath. And then some of it's on the fabric I just put on. I got temperature set around 250. 240, something like that. And it just flattens these little puckers right on out. All right, that looks pretty good. Run over the fabric a little bit right here. Snug it up. We go right down the Aileron here and catch a little bumps along the way. kind of staggering where I heat it up at right now so it doesn't go crazy on me and warp all up. Some people stay start in the middle and work out. Some people stay do alternating ends and work in. And as long as you alternate it, don't get it too hot. Of course, I'm not no pro on it yet. All right. Mix up a little glue and I'll be done with this thing. Person's out today, moving them, actually moving them into my house. They're not doing too good. Anyway, so I have some help here. I'm gonna try to move that wing over here. I want this pretty thin. I want it to penetrate the fabric. About out of this, I ordered some. Should be here in a couple of days. I ordered some more glue and it came in yesterday. So at least I'll have enough supplies to keep me busy over the next month. Still got a lot of work to do covering wise. Got to do the wings and the fuselage. When I do the fuselage, I got to take it all back apart, the landing gear, and take the engine off and all that. Here we go. I don't know if you remember, but I've already put a coat of thick glue on this previously and let it dry. Now we're going to melt into it. Thing is, this fabric is lifted off of those ribs just a hair because of the Aileron nosing and these diamonds. Wipe that excess off. I've come to learn just take another piece of this and rub it on is the best thing for bonding it. If you can see it getting darker. now, this is going in the box. Go in the box, and next thing we're going to do is spray it with Polybond later on. When I spray all this stuff together. All right, so that was the ins and outs of that. I think you've seen every stage now. Now I got to bring the wing in, do a little fine sanding on it. Maybe take a couple of the hinge brackets off. And first thing I'll do is probably wrap the ends. And then we'll work on wrapping the wing. It's going to be a much bigger job. Hopefully I've learned how to do it by now. I'll try to enjoy the rest of this beautiful day. I got a lot of moving furniture and stuff to do. We'll call it exercise. So anytime you get opportunity to help somebody out, call it exercise. But I hope you have a great day. Ours is beautiful in here. I swear it is. I hope God's blessing you, and hope you remember, where all the blessings come from and how this place got here. It didn't just happen. It's too beautiful for that. Way too beautiful just to happen. Anyway, well, you know what I'm gonna do. We'll keep looking up. That's where the Savior's coming from. Hope to see you again soon someday. Take care.